Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and make a basket. And this basket is for my husband. His birthday's coming up. And you know, I have to make him a basket. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to use the dollar store basket. I love these. You guys, these are so cute. And they're just round. You don't have to do anything to them. They're just adorable. So I'm going to be using a mix of green and yellow that I already have, because you know I love to save all this. So how does that look? Does that look like it's a good amount? There you go. I like the green and yellow mix. Okay, so let's add that. How does that look? Oh, that looks really good. Okay, so let's add the green and the yellow. And wait. Okay, so the next thing I am going to add are from the dollar store as well. I picked up these towels, and you get a 2-piece. And these are microfiber cleaning towels. So I picked up 2 of them, and I'm gonna add them right here. I thought it would be cool to add 1 on each side. So you can add, you know, however you want. Let me move this a little bit more this way so you guys can see the whole thing. Perfect. Okay. How does that look? Okay, so let's move on to the next step. The next thing I found there was the all-purpose emerald spray. So I picked up both of these in the yellow and also in the purple. I picked up the sponge, and this is a 2-in-1 sponge. I thought this would be great to put right here in the back. How does that look? That looks really good. So then this would go here, and this one would go right there. Okay, I think that looks good already. I picked up the car air freshener in the scent cherry, which is well from the dollar store. So the whole basket is basically from there. How does that look? That looks really good, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna add a couple more things. I know it's not only just like the dollar store. I want to add my own little thing to it, like always. I made this adorable money holder, you guys. I made this out of card paper that Chrissy sent me, and then it has a heart right here. You open it up, and that's it. Isn't that cool? So I'm gonna make sure my money is the same way, like always. So I'm gonna give him a little bit of spending money. You guys can give whatever you guys want, but I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. All you do is grab your money and you put it in there, you see? And a lot of it fits, so don't worry about that. Close it back up, and how adorable is this? I made it. This one is gonna go way in the back. No, actually, I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. How does that look? You can't see the sponge anymore, but well, I could put it behind the sponge. No, I think it looks silly behind the sponge. I think it's gonna have to go right here. How does that look? I'm confused where it should go. You know why? Because the sponge, if I put it behind it and then put the sponge in front, I don't think that's bad. I mean, you can't see it. He won't be able to see it unless I put it here. So it would be this first, right? And then the sponge. Yeah, actually, I like this better. I know it's kind of like in the way. You know? I guess I'm going to put it in the back and then the sponge. How about that? Okay. I also am going to give him a $50 gift card to put gas. You guys, gas is so expensive. So let's add that gift card right there. Yeah, that's really cute. So I'm like, let's give him a gift card. Gas is, you know, really expensive right now. I think that would be great. But what do you guys think? Should I put more grass here in the front? And does that look? That looks pretty good. I'm going to be using the dollar store bags that I always use. I think this came out cute. I wasn't sure if I was going to make him a basket this year, and then I'm like, I have to make him a basket. He's going to be like, why didn't you make me a basket? Oh my God. So right here, I'm not going to panic. I'm going to grab the basket. Make sure nothing falls out and flip it. Perfect. I'm going to put everything again how it goes. When I pull the bag up, that's when it kind of messed up. This is a cute, simple. I kind of want the card to show. So we're going to move it just a little bit like that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we're going to bring it up. You already know. Tuck the edges, flip it around, and we're going to tape it. See how simple that was? We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Bring it up. Bring it around. And we're going to tuck the edge as well. I want it to be tight, so I'm going to push it as tight as I can. And then bring it around. Tape it. We're going to bring it around. We're going to grab our scissors. And I'm going to bring it up. Oh, how does that look? That still looks really nice. Okay, I want to show you the top. Okay. I'm going to pull right there. I don't want it to get out wrinkly. Okay, let me get something real quick. Okay, I'm going to be using this in the dollar store. I thought this would be a great, since it's a birthday, I wanted to make it more birthday. And I didn't have any yellow ribbon, so I'm going to tie it quick. So look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab it right here. You guys saw that? And I'm just going to tie it up. It doesn't matter how it's going to look once it's tied, because I'm going to go back. I just want to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay? You guys see that? Okay, so one of the tips that I like to share is I cut 1/3 off of the basket. Why? Because if you don't cut 1/3 off the basket, once you're ready to give that basket to someone, it's gonna sag. So we want to keep it at that. We want to keep it at 1/3. How cute is that? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the ribbon and I'm gonna just layer it up. You can do as many as you want. I'm doing a couple of them because I want a little bow, but I want it nice and fluffy. So do it however you want. I hate when it starts falling. It's time to cut it. Once it starts falling, I'm not gonna deal with it. So you saw how I did that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab it. We're gonna make a knot. And we're gonna bring it out. You saw that? You saw how easy that was? I'm gonna grab my scissors and I'm gonna cut it in different angles. You see that? Now you're gonna go ahead and grab your scissors and you're gonna grab one at a time. I know. And you're just gonna pull it. If you don't like the way it looks, just do it again. You see how that looks? If you want it to be tighter, all you have to do is do it higher. And how cute is that? You see how cute that is? We're gonna grab the top and we're gonna fluff it up and there you go. You have a cute, adorable, simple, yet expensive basket. It is all made from the Dollar Tree, but it also has money. It also has a gift card. It also has a gift card. So really you are set. I think it came out super adorable. Let me know what you guys think. I think the hubby is going to love it, you guys. Happy birthday to him. Let me know what you guys think. I am loving this basket. It's perfect for any occasion. Father's Day, birthday, anniversary. Has a little bit of everything. It has a gift card. It has money. And it has, you know, the one thing they love. Things for their car. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And until next time, bye you guys.